It seems the craze of cryptocurrencies are everlasting. If you wish to invest in this digital asset, you need to learn how and where to invest. Welcome to Kato's Tubes, I'm your host Paras, and in today's video, I will talk about a platform named Wazirx, where I will teach you how you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have been using this platform for the past 6 months and I am pretty satisfied with it. So today I will take you through this platform and buy cryptocurrency live in front of you. So without any further delay, let's jump right in. So I am inside the Wazirx panel. So on the left hand side, which is right here, you can see a lot of coins which you can actually buy as an investment. So the number one coin here is Bitcoin, the most famous coin of them all, and today I'm going to buy one. So what I'm going to buy today is not Bitcoin but something called as ETH, which is Ethereum. So ETH is here. So the chart is loading. So now you can see its current price is 2,16,790 rupees. So I am going to put a buy order. So here you can either put the amount you want to buy of that particular coin or the value you want to purchase. Let me zoom in to show you. So on the bottom of it you can see percentage 25, 50, 75 and 100, which indicates the percentage allocation you want to give to this particular coin against the wallet balance. So I have currently 6,500 rupees. So if I want to give 25%, this is the amount of ETH that I will get: 50, 75 and 100. If I use all the value, this is the amount of Ethereum, the value that I am getting by investing this much money. So now let me put a buy order of Ethereum by ETH. So order has been placed successfully. So you can see the order is already completed. So my order is completed and I bought Ethereum worth 0.0299, or you can say 0.03 of Ethereum for 6,503 rupees. So that's how you can purchase any coin in Wazirx. So if you want to make an account or create an account in this exchange, all you need to do is click the link in the description to get an affiliate link and register here on Wazirx. You can buy the coin in INR, USDT, WRX, which is again Wazirx own coin, or in BTC terms. So that's how you do it. That's how you can purchase any coin in Indian exchange. So that's all about the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do remember to watch the videos shared on the screen. I'll see you in the next video with the new updates on cryptocurrency knowledge. Till then, take care and have a good day.